Today I'm going to show you all the chapters and everything we've got here, all the tools we've got here on ManyChat and how we can use them in our automation. Okay, so we've already seen what's here on homepage right here. We're going to get back here after this video. I'm going to show you the templates more closely. And right now we're going to go to contacts page. Okay, click this section. And what do we have here? We have all the contacts that interacted with our Facebook or Instagram page with the channel that is connected to your ManyChat, with all the channels that you connect to your ManyChat, and you have them stored in here. So in this contact section, so we will have segmentation here. So you will see what kind of contacts you've got, where they subscribed from, and all the information. Yes, you can create also new contact in here, so you can add manually someone here. So you can add name, last name, phone number, email, and gender if you want. Yes, so this way you can add even your users that are not in ManyChat manually, but that's going to be manually. So or you can import the file with your contact base from previous, I don't know, interactions or from your other sources. So this way you select file here, this CSV file, yes, and you can connect it to your ManyChat so that the users can be in your ManyChat and you can interact with them. Of course, they interact with you first because, as you know, chatbot cannot send messages first to people. So even if your contacts are here in this section, you will not be able to contact them first. This is the rule of ManyChat. This is the rule of Meta and Facebook both that work for Instagram. That you have to follow, because the contacts should first interact with your chatbot from any channel, and after that you can also interact with them, but you can upload them in your base so that you've got them in here. So I will show you what to do with them next. You can filter your contacts. You see right here, you can filter them with any condition like tag. You can give tags. I'm going to explain you what tags are. And you can segment them with different channels they opted in from Facebook, Instagram, or from email, from anywhere, from SMS. Also, you can see what we've got here. Yeah. Condition, any condition. So you can go here, 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 and you can see all those interactions and all those conditions. You can segment. These are fields, user fields, bot fields, opted-in channels. So I will explain all of this step by step to you, but you can see that you can do this with this. For example, email. Let's see contacts that have email here. So probably I'm only one here. This is my contact. Okay, and what we can do next? We can see every contact card of our contacts. You can open it here. You can see the name, the picture. Finding it. Where he opted in for Instagram. See his nickname on Instagram. Also, any tag, if he's got the tag, you can subscribe him to sequences. I will show you what it is later. Okay, see, opted in for Instagram and custom fields. Custom fields, these are the fields that he has in his ManyChat card, in his ManyChat account. See, not set, not set. And you can see what's inside of those fields, custom fields. Okay, let's see another one. For example, this one. Also, you can see all the information in here. all the steps the contact has taken in your automation, what kind of sequences he had, he was subscribed to, what he did in your automation, what steps he took in your funnel, if he purchased something, if he didn't purchase anything, if he booked a call with you, or any information is stored in his contact card. So that's very convenient. And this way you can segment and see your contacts, and you can study your base too. So here in the left, what we have? We have tags, we have widgets. Widgets are just for Facebooks. They are not used on Instagram, so we're not going to stop on them. Sequences. These are also used more for Facebook, not for Instagram for now. And subscription lists. Yes, this is also for Facebook, not for Instagram. So here we will use only tags. So we will need to reload the page again. It's going to be awful. Okay, what do we have here in bulk actions? Click this button here. You can add tag to the user, to any user. Yes, remove tag, subscribe to sequence, unsubscribe from sequence. Sequence is a sequence of messages sent to a user. But this feature, as I already told you, it's for Facebook Messenger. It's not for Instagram for now. But Instagram is preparing one feature. They are still testing it, but soon it's going to be available for all the users, and I'm going to add the video of it in our program. So don't worry, I'm going to keep you updated. So sequences will be used later. Okay, user fields, custom user fields, unsubscribe from account, and export IDs, user IDs from ManyChat to your Google Sheet, for example, and export custom to system field. Yes, this is what we've got here. So this section is already studied by us. You will just need to click it, see open cards. If you've got some people in here, and just click it and see what we've got here. So let's go to the next step. Next step is growth tools, next section. This section is only if you use Facebook Messenger automation. So no Instagram. We don't use Instagram here. Only post and reels and live comment replies. These are growth tools. But I will show you how to look at them, not in here. But this section is a growth tool. For Instagram, it's a keyword for reply to posts, reels, and live comments. That's it. So we will go next. Next is automation. Automation is the section we're going to use the most, and all the time, every time. So what do we have here? We have here first, let's go up and see what we've got here. Flows, keywords, sequences, and rules. Flows where we will build all our automations. Keywords. When you click keywords, you will see what kind of keywords you've got, and what keywords are active and what keywords are switched off. See, all of those I've got, they are switched off because this account is not used for automation. Well, these green ones with toggles on, they are on, so they are active, and these are not active. So if you click the toggle on, you activate this keyword, and now the automation is active. You can use it, but this keyword is only for keyword in DMs. I'm going to explain you later, because we've got different keywords for different, like story reply, post reply, comment replies, live comment replies, and DMs. This keyword you will see is activated only for keyword in DMs when someone writes you the keyword in DM. But you can see what's activated here for post replies, reels replies, lives replies, and story replies. To see that, you will need to click the flow here and see this one is enabled, what we've enabled just right now, but others are disabled. Post comments and story comments, story replies. So you will need to be accurate with that and just click on full flow. And if you want to automate different, uh, turn on different channels. So you will need to be careful with that. Pay attention to that. Okay, let's go back to our automation keywords. Sequences. Sequences, as I already told you right now, there I'm going to show you just for you to know, yes, what they are, what they look like, but it's not what you're going to use, and it's not what I'm going to show you right now. For now, they are for Facebook Messenger. For example, this sequence, it's a path of already pre-built like email sequences. Yeah, when you just build it once, set up the delay between the messages. For example, 5 emails, you want them to be sent once a week, 1 email a week, yes, and you just set up this sequence automatically. And after that, after users subscribes for this sequence, and the messages are sent automatically with the delay you need. This is the same sequence and same messages. You can see the delay in here. You can change the delay, yes, and you can add messages. For example, let's say 5 days later, and create new reply or select the existing flow. I'm going to show you how to do that and set up such a sequence. But for now, it's only for Facebook Messenger because on Instagram for now you can't send out messages outside of 24-hour window. The feature is being tested for now when you will be able to subscribe contacts for your updates and offers, and you will be able to send out messages outside of 24-hour windows for those who subscribe for your sequences, for your updates, and they give their they allow you to do that. And after that, you will be able to build such sequences. I'm gonna add this video and I'm gonna teach you after this feature is rolled out and you can use it. So just know that you can do that here. You can also build sequences, email sequences in here. So emails, 24-hour window, I'm going to explain you later more deeply about it, but it's for Facebook Messenger and for Instagram DMs. SMS and emails, you can send them outside in ManyChat, but they don't have this rule. So you can collect emails and in your ManyChat connect email channel and send out, build such sequences for emails. That's gonna work. Okay, now rules. What we have here. In rules, we can build different automations. For example, date time-based rules, coupon expiration for reminders, for different stuff when you don't want to add it in one sequence, yes, and you want to have different rules. For example, you add tag for some contact that he has finished your quiz, for example, yes. Then you build a rule when this tag is given, then something happens. You send him some message or another automation. So I will teach you how to do this and how to set up new rules and what kind of rules we have just a little bit later separately. So we will have a video on the rules separate, just full video. Okay, so that you just know it's here. Let's go back to our automation. Okay, what we've got here. Here you will see the channels that are connected to your ManyChat account, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, or you will probably see only Instagram right now if you've connected only Instagram. So what we've got here. For Instagram, we've got default reply, conversation starters, main menu, story mention reply. Separately. Yes, in here you will see all the folders you've got in here like here. When you open every folder, you will see the flows and the automations you've got in here. and different channels. Here in the automation, you will see what channel it is. So for Instagram, it's Instagram. For Messenger, it's Messenger. Now you will see here the keywords. You will see here how many people uh, entered your flow, every flow in here, what steps. After this, you can click on the flow and see the flow itself. Click edit and edit the flow, see what's inside. Well, all this we're gonna have in our separate videos. So let's go next. And here we see all the flows we've got in here. Yes. And triggers, growth tools, events, keywords, and sequences. So those I've shown you. Yes, growth tools, keywords, and sequences. What's events? Let's click on events. What events we've got here? For example, consult remind, new rule, coupon expiration reminder, yes, date and time based triggers. So all these events I'm also going to show you later when we set up our flows and our automations. You will learn about all of them. And trash. Trash, you see all the deleted flows in here. So if you have deleted your flow just by mistake, yes, you can go back to trash anytime and restore your flow. For example, here you can click restore and find it somewhere, somewhere in your automation in the flows you've already built in your main folder. Okay, like flows here. And we're going back to automation. Okay, restart flow. Somewhere in here. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one. I guess this one. Okay, so that's the automation section. And you're gonna see it very, very, very often. We're gonna work with it most. Okay, next, live chat. We're gonna also have a separate video on this live chat. I'm gonna show you all the abilities you've got here, but right now you're gonna learn that here you can open any uh, dialogue you had with inside your Instagram and inside all the channels, all in one place, different channels, all the channels that you've got connected to your ManyChat. You can see here. It's very convenient because when you've got the manager, for example, and you've got different channels like SMS, email, Facebook, and Instagram, and you can just give the access to the manager to live chat, like live chat agent. You've seen that in the video yesterday. And you can just give him the access to monitor all the dialogues with the chatbot. And in case people need the human assistance, because it's very important, so that you can have human assistance additionally to chatbot. Then users will be more satisfied. And the manager can monitor all the dialogues in here, just answer or just give the help they need. Okay. All the features I'm going to show you separately in the next videos. Okay, let's go next, broadcasting. Broadcasting, it's sending out emails, SMS, Facebook Messenger, messages, but it's not working for Instagram for now. Same as with sequences, yes, Instagram feature will be available with broadcasting so that you can broadcast your message to all the subscribers inside your ManyChat, inside your Instagram with this feature, but only for those who have given agreement to get your messages in Instagram. For now, see, you can only use Messenger, email, Telegram, and SMS, not Instagram. So for now, we're not going to work with this feature later. Okay, and we are going to settings. What we've got in settings, we've got general settings right here, like here. See, general settings. They are connected to your account. So everything you have to do with your account, ManyChat account, all the data, leave account, delete account. You can delete your account if you want to create new one or you don't need this one anymore. Okay, you can create bot template. I'm going to show you how to do that later. You can clone this bot, all the bots you got in your ManyChat. You can clone and move it to another page. So it's easy and it's like feature like this one. So for example, my this account I've got, it's working account and it was connected to the Facebook page that was blocked. I can send out and I can't even manage business accounts and create ads for this Facebook page, my main Facebook page. And as my Facebook page is connected to ManyChat, this ManyChat account is also, well, I can connect it to my Instagram, but I can't connect this Instagram and this Facebook page and Facebook account to any Instagram. If I connect them, I still can't be able to advertise on Meta. So this way, my ManyChat account is useless. This one. Okay, so I've created another one. And if you face such a problem too, you will need to create new one. But if you've got all the automation created in here and you don't want to do all the work again, you clone all the bot with all the features you've got, everything, all the connections, you can transfer to another account. And it's going to save you a lot of time. So just clone this bot. Click this button. Okay, here you can see your time zone, your URL shortener. So, well, actually that's it. Now we go to notifications. Yes, you see what you can turn it on in here. If in case the toggles are on, you will get notifications on your email connected to ManyChat. Okay, here you can choose in which case you want to get notified. Okay, Telegram, email connected to your ManyChat. You can have phone here connected to your ManyChat. So you can check all the information in here. Okay, team members, I already shown you. So we know this feature. Okay, logs. Logs, sorry. It's when something goes wrong with your automation. For example, your chatbot is trying to send messages outside of 24-hour window. For example, you have set up the delay. I'm going to show you later well, how to do that. But you, with this delay, you were outside of 24-hour window. Your message will not be sent. So don't worry, your account will not be blocked for breaking the rules of Facebook or Instagram. But the ManyChat will not send out that message that breaks the rules and will send you the notification right here. You will see the log notification message that something goes wrong so that you can check and it will show you the flow with the error and you can go to this flow and check what's wrong. ManyChat will show you. Right here, we're not having any issues, but I had previously on different accounts of my clients when something works. But sometimes Messenger and ManyChat here shows the logs that don't exist, for example, because I've got such messages on other clients' pages, but when I went to check the flow, everything was fine and was really cool. So sometimes it happens. Just check in case, okay? Okay, Facebook page restrictions, you will see, but for now, I haven't dealt with this case, with any of such cases. So don't worry about that, okay? And also you will show any logs with your connections if you build IP connections or any other connections with different sites with IP integrations and all this stuff. Well, then you're going to be shown that something goes wrong so that you can pay attention and check it. Okay, billing. We've seen the billing where we connected the payment details. Yes. Okay. Okay, inbox live chat behavior. You can check all in here what we got. So Well, just look at that. Auto assignment, it's, for example, auto assignments, if you assign some conversations to some live chat agent, special agent, okay? But we can do that inside the automations. I'm going to show you later how to do that. So I'm not using this feature at all. Okay, here you can see the channels, and you can click on every channel to see the settings for every channel. What we've got here, enable, disable the channel. For example, default reply, same as we've seen on our automation page. Main menu, conversation starters, opt-in automation, opt-out automation, story mention reply, refresh permission, and remove. Refresh permission, it's a very magical button when you've got some logs with your automation. It's not working. It's the keyword not working, bot stopped working. It happens sometimes because Instagram and ManyChat, they are constantly improving and using a lot of updates. Sometimes this affects your chatbot and it stops working. For example, you type in the keyword in your automation and nothing happens. First thing you need to do uh, in this case, going to the channel that has the issues. For example, if it's on Instagram, click Instagram in here. Yes, in settings, Instagram, and click refresh permission. If you click it, what's happening? You can click it anyway, it's not gonna do any worse. ManyChat is just reconnecting this channel automatically. It's gonna be done automatically. See, the page connection was successfully reloaded. And after that, you can try out your automation again. So you can find also this button right here in the help and refresh permissions. So this is the same button, but it's easier to access in here. So help, refresh permission, and that's it. It's easier. So you will have the same settings. I'm sorry, that was the plane. Okay, we've got the same settings for every channel in here. You can check all of them. And also we've got automation, the same here, growth tools, fields, text, conversion events. I'm going to show you what it is later. Also extensions, IP, yes, IP key that you can generate to connect your ManyChat with different other channels that are not connected inside. So those integrations are on the higher level. For me, it's like higher math in Chinese, but I'm learning. I'm learning. Okay, and I'm doing that, but it's harder to do. Okay, also you've got apps in here. I'm gonna show you its many apps integrations. We've got different integrations inside ManyChat. I'm going to show you all of them later. Payments. You can connect Stripe or PayPal account to your ManyChat and collect payments right inside of your chatbot. Okay, and install templates which you've created and installed. See, these are mine. And Pixel. ManyChat Pixel, it's a piece of code like in Facebook Pixel that is installed on your website, and they can transfer the data from website to ManyChat to see the user, what users do there. We're gonna look at that later, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, these are settings. Here, my profile. When you go to my profile, you can see here accounts, all the accounts that you manage. Yes, all of them. Okay, and all the information about these accounts. Also templates, your created templates. You can create templates from your automations, from chatbots, from everything you create, and also install them, sell them, install to other accounts, transfer, give access to. So templates are very cool. I'm going to show you how to do that. Settings. So it's your public IP. In settings, you can generate IP. We saw that in settings for now, but you can also generate your IP key here and use it. where you need applications. They don't have anything here, but you can create your own apps in ManyChat and download them to ManyChat for them to review and approve those applications if they work inside. If you're a programmer, if you really see how you can use different applications written for ManyChat to improve automations, then they review your application and publish it in their app store. It's called Many App. I'm going to show it to you later. Okay, and compliance monitoring. You've got the smile, so you don't break any rules. It's yay, great news. Okay, and here information about your account. You can log in and you can see what you've got here. So let's go back to ManyChat. And here in help, you've got help center, video tutorials. You can watch them too. Some of them are really cool and very easy to see. They are on the topics, very just not those deep topics, but it's gonna be really cool if you watch them. I did. And sometimes I took some even new information because in ManyChat there are a lot of different features, a lot, and you're not going to use all of them. I'm not using all of them, and it's normal because they are too many, and you need to choose the features you like those you use all the time. And they are better for you to create simple and fast automation. And you're not going to use all of them. So it's normal when you don't know something. Me too, really. For 2 years working with ManyChat, I don't use well, probably half of the features that I don't use. Okay, but they are there. You should know about their abilities. Also, hire an agency. You can, if you want automation built for your account, but you don't know who to ask about that and you don't want to do that yourself, okay, you can hire an agency just in ManyChat. Those agencies, they work with their partners. Okay, public change log. I don't know what this feature is, and we will not gonna use it. I'm not using it. Request feature. For example, if you use ManyChat and you see that you can add some new feature in here. For example, I requested the feature so that you can enter flow in Instagram on URL because they've got this for Messenger and it's very convenient. You don't use the keyword. Well, yes, you can use the keyword, but you can also generate a URL and post it anywhere so that people click on that URL and go to Instagram DM and activate your bot automatically. That's cool. That's for Messenger, but probably they are going to do that later for Instagram too. I hope so. And join the community. This is their Facebook page. I recommend you to join it because they post there are a lot of people who use automation. They are just discussing some stuff, troubleshooting, so you can join and be updated on information. Probably you can solve some troubles later while working with automation. So it's gonna be really cool. So I recommend you. Okay, and terms of services and privacy policy. That's it. Refresh permissions. I'm going to show. I've already shown you. So this is all we've got here on ManyChat. This was quite a long video. So sorry, but you needed to know that, and I couldn't break it. Next video, I'm going to show you how to use templates. Their templates that you've got, and how to create templates. Your automation. Okay, that's easy, and this is what we're gonna do in the next video. So